So this is the Motel 6 Revelstoke, and we're not off to a fantastic start because at the front desk, when they checked us into a second level room, they said there was an elevator. There is no elevator, so they've already lied to us, so that's not great. There's not a lot of Motel 6s left in Canada, and I'm starting to understand why. And this is not encouraging either. So it's clearly not a completely no smoking facility, and their ashtrays are old coffee containers, so that's not great. But they have a Prox card, so let's check out the room and hopefully it'll be a little bit better. Now, part of why we booked this particular Motel 6 is there were not a lot of great options in Revelstoke, but also we had a really good experience in Montana at a Motel 6 there that looked quite nice. So let's take a look here. This door here, oh, I guess that beeps if you don't close that properly. And so there's that locking mechanism there. There's sort of an old maid service here. This door to the bathroom, this is clearly meant to be an exterior door that they are using on the interior, which is an interesting choice. So they've got some hangers there, and there's an electrical outlet. Looks like it's seen better days. Let's go check out the bathroom here. Flip on the switch. Oh, they've got some interesting styling on the wall here. I don't know what this was supposed to be. I'm guessing there used to be a shelf there, but there is not. Pretty basic toilet. There are serious marks on the mirror that are pretty bad. You can see that there. There is a blow dryer. It looks to be in pretty good condition at least. Got some soap and a washcloth, wastebasket and sink, a little bit of towels. The vent there could be a little cleaner. It's got crown molding, which is kind of nice. This is bubbling, so this wasn't installed fully properly. The shower head, however, looks to be pretty clean, newish, decent condition. However, we have some grime here. That's not good. There is some conditioning shampoo. Yeah, I mean, you could probably have a shower, but because of the grime there, I would not recommend a bath. That doesn't look to be in great condition. There's a fridge, pretty good size here. There we go. All fridges will either be unplugged or set to 0. Please remember to power it on or set the temperature to where you need it before using the fridge in your room. They say for eco-friendly energy saving plan. I don't know about that. Not sure. Okay. Not sure exactly what that means. I'll figure that out later. Got another wastebasket, window coverings. Not great, but you know, not a problem. Got a mirror. We've got a chair. It's a decent chair, similar chair at home actually. I think I might have this exact same chair at home. I do have that exact same chair at home at my computer desk where I do all my editing of our videos. That's kind of funny. I'm guessing this is a door that would connect to another room if you had connecting rooms and stuff. Complimentary continental breakfast except off-season. It doesn't clarify what the off-season is. Mentions the hot tub, but at the desk they told us that the hot tub was not available due to COVID. There's your phone. It looks like they've bagged the coffee maker. Not sure what that's all about. Got some cups there. Got a TV, Dynex. I believe that's a Best Buy house brand. I'm guessing that's the modem up there. Little table. So got a nightstand here. It's kind of interesting. Not seeing any power there. So this is technically a 2-queen suite that we got. The bed looks to be in good condition. Looks to be pretty clean. So no concerns there at least. And then here's the other room, which is kind of nice. So it's got the air conditioner there, its own window, table and chairs, and Kleenex. It's like a poem about a rag. I don't get that. Coat hangers, something for luggage there. Let's turn on the light here so we can see this a little bit better. We've got the air conditioner control there for that air conditioner wall mounted. And I'm guessing this light switch probably controls that light. There we go. The plug there. So, and again, this bed seems to be in relatively good condition. 3 pillows, and we've got a nightstand here. Nightstand does not appear to have power. So it's okay. It's a budget option. But you know, we really want you to know what you're in for when you stay in a hotel. That's why we do these reviews and walkthrough videos. So if you found this video useful at all, please give it a thumbs up. And please don't give us the thumbs up based on whether you like the room or not. This is about whether or not you find these videos useful. So if you do, give it a thumbs up and we'll continue making them so that you know what you're getting into before you book your hotel. And I would love to hear from you in the comment section. Would you stay here? You know, would you be comfortable staying here at this particular property? Let me know in the comments what you think. And if you haven't already, please do subscribe for other travel videos. We'll show you hotel tours, how to save money when you travel, and therefore how to travel more. So thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.